Through the corridors she stormed. The platter balanced, the meat still warm. A weapon of rage, a symbol of pride. Her knuckles white, her fury white. The knives hummed low, a secret song. Each empty room proved she was wrong. Her steps grew sharp, her breath grew thin. The labyrinth whispered of her sins. Oh, the platter shakes, the knives hum low, through shadowed halls where secrets grow. The stars look on as the ship glides through, a tale of power, of love untrue. In the kitchen's glow she froze in place. Platter knelt, his lover's embrace. Her voice cut through, a blade of control. Apply your mind, you've sold your soul. The grease on her hands, the weight of her plan. She demanded gold, the mark of a man. But Platter laughed, defiance in his tone. I am no pawn, I stand alone. Oh, the platter shakes, the knives hum low, through shadowed halls where secrets grow. The stars look on as the ship glides through, a tale of power, of love untrue. Catoli's smile, a cunning light. Her whispers dance through the endless night. Zaren's hands on the golden blade, a puzzle of power in shadows laid. The meat, the knives, the bottles glow, a truth too dark for them to know. The ship hummed low, the harp did cry, a symphony born where secrets lie. Oh, the platter shakes, the knives hum low, through shadowed halls where secrets grow. The stars look on as the ship glides through, a tale of power, of love untrue. Vorek stood in the nebula's light, her words like silk, her grip like night. Eat this for me, she softly said, her voice a snare, her promise thread. The organ gleamed, the taste was wrong, a bitter truth in a twisted song. The harp still hummed, its strings alive, a warning whispered, none survive. Oh, the platter shakes, the knives hum low, through shadowed halls where secrets grow. The stars look on as the ship glides through, a tale of power, of love untrue. The Zephyrians watch from their frozen skies, the crystalline gaze saw through the lies. And as Zaren worked, the pieces aligned, a brilliance born, a fate designed. Through the void the ship did glide, aborted dreams and darkness collide. The platter shakes, the knives hum still, a story of power, of love, of will.